Wow, wow, wee, wah. Okay, rock and roll. See how we get on. Think you can hear me if you're not. Doesn't really matter because it's me anyway. But I can't go anywhere till Alex moves. Come on, dude, come on. Okay, everybody finish faffing. Let's go. Yeah. Okay, so we're away again. Day one, we headed over to the ferry down in Portsmouth. Yeah, a nice night on the ferry, good laugh. Expensive though, bit of a boring day yesterday really, and then finished up at the first hotel in Santander and then away this morning. First section of the day has been brilliant. That cloud looks a bit menacing, doesn't it? Alright, we've fueled up, we stopped our bit of coffee, a jamon sandwich, well, sandwich in Spanish. And now we're on our way to Portes. Oh, I can see spots of rain. Oh, bloody hell, man. We're going to have to sort this out in a minute, aren't we? You alright? No, you had your indicator on. What? What's up? Oh, you had your indicator on. I thought you wanted to stop. Oh, sorry, mate. Sorry. That was an epic fail on my part. You know. I could live in Spain just for the roads. F***ing brilliant. Into the mountains we go. Now we're gonna get wet. This is spooky, man. Oh my god. I don't know what the GoPro's picking up here. Can't see a fucking thing. This guy ahead of me is nuts. Lost the others. Oh, it looks like we're going back down now. Got to get out of this. Well, it's a bit interesting, isn't it? Fucking hell. Can't see f*** all. Find somewhere to stop. Oh, I wish the sky was clear. This is pretty f***ing beautiful, man. I'm liking this.
Yeah, man.
Oh my, what beautiful weather we're having.
Ah.
Suddenly it was like, yeah, this is oh, I can't see anything.
I know. I was like that. That car was like cutting the corners, everything. Yeah. He was trying hard, like I thought.
Here's the man.
Don't know the roads or anything. Like, just let him get on with it and he can show us where the corners are.
He kept saying, go past, go past. I'm like, that's a blind f***ing corner. I'm not going past you there.
Your indicator's on, mate.
F***ing always is. I'm a nightmare with that thing.
Oh, yeah.
Fuck. That's why he stopped behind the bus, because I indicated to overtake, and he thought I was indicating to pull over. That serves me right for using the rules of the road and indicating. Alright, ready? Are we good? I think so. I've got 4 minutes to the checkpoint. Okay, do it. Let's all do the poachers. Let's all do the poachers. Na 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 na.
Sorry, I ain't got no money. I'm not trying to be funny, but I left it all at home today. You can call me what you wanna. I ain't giving you $1 this time. I ain't gonna run away. You might knock me down, you might knock me down, but I will get back up again. You can call it how you wanna. I ain't giving you $1 this time. I ain't gonna run away. This time I ain't gonna run. Not this time.
Oh man, that was f***ing brilliant! Ah!
Sorry, I ain't got no money. I'm not trying to be funny, but I left it all at home today. You can call me what you wanna. I ain't giving you $1 this time. I ain't gonna run away. You might knock me down, you might knock me down, but I will get back up again. You can call it how you wanna. I ain't giving you $1 this time. I ain't gonna run away. This time.
Well, no commentating going on. I apologise. I'm just concentrating and not used to talking on the camera either. So try and put a little bit more effort in future, but take today as a bit of a practice run. Plus, just really enjoying these roads and trying to concentrate on the way I'm riding, etc. Try to learn something from these boys. Keep plodding on and burning the rubber, eh? Ah! Anybody need fuel? Yeah?
30k, innit?
30k?
Yeah, I'll make it there.
If you'll make it, I should make it, eh? Did you see me f***ing nearly bin it?
Yeah, just went whoop.
Yeah,
Shit.
that's exactly what I did, yeah. I saw you trying to get your knee down, so I tried as well.
I did get it down.
Did you? Yeah. Wow, man, look at this. That's f***ing awesome, isn't it? F***ing yeah, boy! Pico's de Europa. This is beautiful, man. Oh, God. Look at this place. It is incredible.
How f***ing beautiful is this place?
Awesome, eh?
Is this where we're staying?
I think so.
Holy shit.
Well, he's looking at the hotel now, but he said he thinks it's here.
Jesus.
About to check outside the game. You know what I'm talking about. Just let me know if you wanna go to that home out on the range. They got a lot of nice girls.
Holy shit, am I on fire?